Sinusubukan po namin ngayon kung magandang pang video tong bago kong cellphone. Kasi medyo disappointed ako sa speed niya. Kaya tinetesting ko yung video. Yung video quality. At saka yung sound niya, kung maganda siyang mag-capture ng sound. Kaya pupunta.
Now greetings to the world. Why is the one called Bruno Mars alongside Gang to the Zilla? You know what I mean?
1, 2, 3.
Lotto tickets cheap, yeah, that's why you can catch me here. Trying to stress my head to the top. 'Cause my job got me going nowhere, so I ain't got a thing to lose.
Ang masasabi ko lang, mas maganda pa rin ng camera ng iPhone kaysa dito. Thank you for